Got it here, 5 more CKF knife, custom knife factory. This is a Russian. They sell one of this, I think it holds 15 knives holders, and it comes with different type of like little stickers, whatever you call it, Velcro, and all of these knives right here. I mean, some of them anyway. Pretty cool. So yeah, let's open up, see what I got right here. So first of all, a couple of them are not put away, but this is so cool. This one is, but as you can see, you could place the knife and put the card on it, like certificate of authenticity right here. That is really cool. So yeah, first one, let's see, Evolution 2.0 knife. As you can see, this bag is beautiful. So wow. That's so smooth. And when we close it, whoa, that is crazy smooth. A frame lock. What do you guys think? This is very comfortable knife. You can hold it this way. Where is it level? Around here. So most of the time you're gonna be holding it right here, or you can hold it this way. That's kind of cool. So center of gravity is somewhere right here. That's a beautiful knife right here. M390 CKF. Super smooth. Okay, let's keep on going. This is Sequoia knife, M390, the designer, handle, all that good stuff. This one don't have a signature. This is super limited edition. This is not mine. Somebody just letting me film it. Wow, check this out. What do you guys think? That thing is insanely beautiful. This is actually, okay, I see, collaboration with Morphin, frame lock. I kind of like this frame lock better. Ooh, that's so smooth. Wow. Do you see that? I could probably open and close it with the left hand too. Look how well it shows the fingerprints. You know what, because it's on so many fingerprints, I'm just gonna put on gloves on. So yeah, definitely wanna close it very slowly. Whoa, do you see that? It's so smooth, it's almost scary. I kinda wanna close it and open it with 2 hands. I mean, especially closing it. Opening it, not a problem. Look at that, even with these gloves, it flies open. Yeah, that's a piece of art for sure. Window breaker, beautiful. Okay, next one, Snuffle 2019. Wow, that one is actually a half, and I filmed my first Russian knife I ever bought. You see, M390, but this one is just way bigger. Maybe I'll do a little comparison, a different video. I love that. There's a thumb stud in this side here, to where whenever I close it, you see, it will stop it, and then I can move my fingers out of the way. Cannot open it this way for some reason. It's pretty tight. So the best to open it is this way. Look at that. Beautiful. Matches with this clip. Yeah, that's definitely a really cool knife. Okay, let's see what else we have. There you go. It comes with the microfiber towels. Okay, let's see what this one is all about. Sequoia knife, collaboration with Morphin and Malyshev 22. So that's a really new knife. Beautiful. Check this out. Really hard to get. So it's Morphin. There's a Morphin logo. And on this side, CKF. I really like that blade. Super lightweight. Okay, let's see. Where is the... Okay, that's where it's going to be a balance. So kind of a little bit in the back. I kind of want to hold it right here, so I would like for it to be more balanced towards right here, but so not perfectly balanced knife in my opinion. You'd have to hold it like that to have it fully balanced, but it's okay. Still beautiful knife. You see where I would hold it, it's kind of handle a little bit heavier. Check this out. Window breaker. Kind of like it that this one doesn't fly as hard. Kind of a little bit safer compared to the other couple ones. That's beautiful. So yeah, CKF Russian knives, amazing company, one of a kind knives for sure. I love to have a whole bunch of them. I only have a couple. This is somebody else's collection letting me film. But yeah, I'm building up my own collection as well. And one more. This is not a knife. These gloves are annoying. I gotta get better quality stuff. This is a knuckle. Let's see what it's about. They come like that in a little baggies. So it's a knuckle. Pretty cool. Let's put it on our finger. Wow, it's my size. Barely fits it. It's supposed to be pretty fidgety too, if I can get it off. So yeah, there's a CKF. Beautiful. How does this fidget? Oh, right here. It just come off like that, on and off. And on this side too. So it's kind of cool. Little fidgety toy, but at the same time it's a brass knuckle. I guess you can hold it this way. Yeah, probably would have to hold it this way, not this way like I showed you. But whatever floats your boat. And again, kind of hard to take it off. It's also takes apart somehow. There you go. Oh, it's magnets. There you go. Beautiful. Is that what it's for? I don't know. I think it's more like a for fidgeter design. Oh, this way. Oh wow, that's how it goes. Gloves are annoying. That's what keeps them together, these magnets. Those neodymium magnets, they kind of keep them forward. That's cool, you see it? Oh, there's a little notch in there too. So yeah, that's beautiful. Those things sell out too. So anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think about these Russian knives. They're pretty unique for sure. High-end stuff.